Fresh P Entertainment. Mixed by Chameleon.
Yeah, we in this thing and we finna get it started. Diamonds in my chain, yeah, they dancing so retarded. Do I hear some haters in my ear? I'm like, party.
Yeah, I'm Fresh P.
And the P is for party.
P is for party.
What's poppin'? I'm Fresh P. We the Celebrity Clowns, man. We here in Tallahassee, Florida, man. Shout out to the whole Florida. We love the kids. Hey, that's my boy Remy. I think it's time for us to go. Alright, y'all ready? We about to go rock out. Cause the P is for party. You should put this on.
Fresh P Entertainment.
Clap your hands now, gon' make it shake. It's your birthday, gon' make it shake. Squid game, we just came to play. Red light, green light, gon' make it shake. Red light, green light, red light, green light, red light, green light, red light, green light. Soon as I walk up in the party, watch me Harlem shake on them. Got the whole crowd rocking while I hit my dance on them. Shorty like me cause I ride down on them. Said swag surf was dead, I just brought it back to him. Swag, surf, stop. Word. Stop moving, baby girl, you gotta keep going. We just bought the whole club, baby, how you coming? Fresh P, proud of P, we finna shake some. It's your birthday, baby, you ain't gotta pay nothing. Clap your hands now, gon' make it shake. It's your birthday, gon' make it shake. Squid game, we just came to play. Red light, green light, gon' make it shake. Red light, green light, red light, green light, red light, green light, red light, green light.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time.
Fresh P Entertainment.
Yeah, I wake up with a smile on my face. I'm turned up today, thank God for the play. I'm sure you can relate to the fact I'm getting straight. And I'm dancing on the money, man, I need another bank. I need another save, I need another drink. I'm dripping too hard, man, I left a bleach stain. Playing Call of Duty, had to hit him long range. Big P energy, I don't drink bang. Bang, bang, banging the beat. And if we walk up in the club, then they leaving with me. They see we over there jitting and we bobbing on me. Long hair,
Yo, come on this side. We live. Set Fridays at FAMU. We got FAMU. Yeah, we got what's up? We outside. We got FAMU. We outside with us. What's up? What's up? How y'all roll, bro?
You know what's going on? Look, they call me QP, but I'm not a quarter pounder.
Okay, y'all, we out here taking pictures. Yeah, here taking pictures with beautiful women. Oh, I know that's right. Take that picture, girl. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, y'all, say hi to the vlog. We out here taking pictures. Yeah, we out here taking pictures for the people. Huh, Q? Damn you, baby. Big Rollo. Big Rollo.
Oh, big like. Tell my YouTube channel. What's your name? Hi, girl. What you say? What's your name? Yeah, say it one more time. Yeah, how you doing, Jeremiah? You watching this? We watching? Crazy. Hey, well, look, we about to make some TikToks right now. You wanna take a picture? You gonna say hi first? Say hi. What? My name is Fresh P. This is Prada P. That's Puff. P-Puff. Okay? Well, right now, I have you on our YouTube. We're going to take a picture with Mr. Moore.
The next day.
Make some noise for yourself first, because I need this to be loud. Okay. When I say no, y'all say no. No. When I say no, y'all say what? No. No. Let's see if we can catch this one. No.
Then I'm getting money, man, your boy finna cash in. Mr. Put it on, yeah, this high fashion. All the women want me, yeah, I'm attracting. Jumped on the beat, yeah, we all just dived in.
Speaker like a diddy bopper, teeter totter, Harry Potter, popper like a stopper dropper. How you want it, sweet and sour? Speaker like a diddy bopper, teeter totter, Harry Potter, popper like a stop and dropper. I don't like her, I don't call her.